talk about the education part because career guidance is not missing, it's absent, totally absent.
Oh, okay.
We don't have a guidance counselor in our school, in our colleges, and at the university level also. I have done a small study in the district of Kolasip among students of high school and higher secondary schools.
Kolasip.
Yeah,
Kolasip.
regarding the career awareness, and it's zero.
Okay.
They know that this career is present there, this is there, teaching job, engineering, architecture, but when you keep on asking them, where shall you pursue that course? What do you have to do to become an engineer? Where will you study? What kind of exam that you need to take up? Then they don't know anything about that. So I think the most important thing to bring up our education system is to have a good guidance counselor in the school.
This is what I meant when I said that should you not be pushing for it? Should these youngsters not be pushing for it?
Because, you know, I'll just raise one more point. We know that all of us will not be successful academicians or successful doctors, but we can be successful at our own level.
Okay.
Like for instance, a child may not get passed through class 8, but if we push that child to become a bachelor or to have a PG degree, it will be very difficult for him. But if we send that particular child to a training institute like the one that we have ITI here in this locality, then the child could be a successful businessman or he can take up his own career like that. So we need a good career guidance counselor in our school. That
and what has been done till now, Mr. Lal Ransinga? What do you have to say to him?
Apparently nothing.
Okay. Apparently, which is very unfortunate.
Right.
I wouldn't say that career guidance is totally missing.